गुड मॉर्निंग फैम। सुबह के कुछ 4:30-5 बज रहे और हमारी बंदर दोस्त लैंड हो चुकी है। सो यू नो व्हाट टाइम इट इज़, लेट्स गेट इनटू द कार। आज बहुत चीज़ें अलग है तो वो भी दिखाता हूँ मैं। गेस व्हाट वी आर ड्राइविंग टुडे। ऑलराइट गाइस, सो गाड़ी थोड़ी बदल चुकी है क्योंकि हम आज वरुण भाई के गाड़ी में है, वरुण एंड प्रतीक, द टू ब्रदर्स, एंड वी आर टेकिंग हिज कार टुडे। तो फटफट निकलना है थोड़ा बिकॉज वी आर अ लिटिल लेट। और यहाँ पे एप्पल कार प्ले पे अपन डाल देते T1, लेट्स सी, टी टर्मिनल। ऑलराइट, सो एप्पल कार प्ले लगा दिया है, वी पुट द मैप्स ऑन। दैट इज द इंटीरियर ऑफ द कार, दैट इज द कोना EV एंड प्रिटी नीट आई वुड से। EV है तो ज्यादा टाइम पास नहीं कर सकते, थोड़ा यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल ऑफ द बैटरी एंड ऑल। सो हम लोग निकल चुके हैं। बेबी सिस्टर इज कमिंग बैक, सुपर एक्साइटेड एज ऑलवेज। सुबह के 5 बज रहे एंड हम लोग का तो यही होता है भाई, वी प्रेफर द लेट नाइट शेड्यूल बिकॉज रास्ते खाली मिलते हैं। बॉम्बे की ट्रैफिक में हम लोग फंसते नहीं है। बट या दिस इज क्वाइट अ नाइस एक्सपीरियंस। थैंक यू वरुण वंस अगेन। क्वाइट अ नीट इंटीरियर सेटअप इफ यू आस्क मी। हाँ, वो कंबशन इंजन वाली बात नहीं है बट ठीक है यार, इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल एक्सपीरियंस। फिर से एक बार मोस्ट लाइकली शील बी हियर फॉर लाइक 15 days इश। तो आई एम होपिंग के यार हम लोग बहुत कुछ मस्ती कर सके साथ में।
Keep right onto Western Expressway.
हाँ मेरी कहा, हाँ बहुत कुछ प्लान भी किया हुआ है। सो लेट्स होप दैट वी कैन मैनेज टू पुट ऑल दैट आउट। बाकी तो यार
And about 1.5 kilometers.
ये
Keep right
दीदी
onto
चुप नहीं
Western
रहेगी।
Expressway.
ऑलराइट गाइस, एयरपोर्ट पहुंच गए, अराइवल्स ढूंढ रहे अभी हम। वी आर इनसाइड द एयरपोर्ट। ये वाला थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड क्योंकि डोमेस्टिक की आदत नहीं है। ये कहाँ पे है यार? Why not?
Don't.
Oh, my bad. Shit. I don't listen to that. Is it bad? Is it spoiled? Yay. Okay, come fast.
What is he making?
Yeah. He is waiting. Let's go. Come on, keep. I am cheap. I don't give a I'll figure it out. Let's go. Come on, Boka. It's Varun's car. Say nice.
It's nice. Thank you, Varun. Thank you so much.
This you're saying, no, it's not.
Push the button. There we go.
What's wrong with this?
Sometimes it comes out without one pole.
One comes out without?
One side pole. The pole of one side. The
Shit. That's not gonna fit like that, is it?
mathematics.
Sorry, Varun.
You go, girl.
Okay, come, ma'am. Please have a boogie seat.
Spicy.
All right. पार्किंग में डाली थी, थोड़ी फटी पड़ी थी मेरी। Hello, homie sapien. What?
I didn't complete it.
Hello, all right, this is all new, bruh.
Why does electric things even need a seatbelt? Like, what's the point? Why did
All right, my chinkus chipmunk. I miss you.
I miss you more.
Why is your face all red?
Because I put blush on it.
Okay.
That's the thing.
All right.
It moves.
What? Yes, it does, but don't. I mean, okay, yeah, that you can.
It's not like I'm driving.
All right, shall we? I need unscripted. Gaddi. Okay, Jesus. All right, guys, we're ready to like move. Okay,
Yeah.
so should I just like exit it from there, right? We rolling, bro.
Whatever.
Let's hope that our shimzin shamzins doesn't die on us.
Doesn't have a noise.
Just drive.
There's no noise.
I know.
But I don't like it.
Just see if it moves. Just, yeah.
It's supposed to go like.
Wait, is there like Uber something? Like where are we supposed to head from? Dude, we have 109 ka range and this shit keeps dropping. Like the amount of stress and anxiety I would get by an electric car is not even funny.
What is?
Thank you.
Thank you, Varun. I really appreciate it. That is so sweet of you.
Bro, like one time ask and he's like, bro, take it. What are you fucking asking?
Such a darling. Thank you.
Yeah.
God bless you. New car, electric. That too, you gave it in his hands.
Shut up, Afri.
God knows how. I don't know how you.
Shut up. I drive very calmly. At least the cars that are not mine or vehicles that are not mine.
Yeah, but it's
And even
electric.
Varun knows
How
that.
can he trust you with his electric?
Yeah, that's true.
Imagine-
Varun, don't trust me with your electric, bro.
But thank you very much.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Shabjis.
Shabji.
Here, come home, have some Bikaner wala sweets.
Oh my god, Afri.
Really?
Wheelie! Jesus. That was like talk induction and
I'm
shit.
sorry, you guys just did a tumble.
Nice.
And yesterday we went like go-karting.
You got all your bags, right?
Yeah, I got my bag. But yesterday we went go-karting.
Yeah. She sent me the go-karting a picture and I gave her that side-eye wala emoji like, Jesus Christ.
Yeah, and
How many times did you bang?
I didn't actually.
That's what I was saying, dumbass. I saw you drive and it was pretty neat and you braked in time for once.
Yeah, but the deal with
Ooh.
me is that my feet
Feet.
would not reach,
Reets.
so they had to put a cushion behind me.
Oh my god.
It was very embarrassing.
So even the Punto couldn't have saved you then.
Very, very embarrassing. If you're short, pro tip, don't fucking go-karting. Okay?
What is this behavior?
Pooja.
You're asking for it. You're dying for it. Get off my back. Right, घर जा रहे हम. सूरज उग चुका है. सूरज डूबा है यारो. You see, we even sing the same song on point without cue. We know what's coming. You're broke. You're f***ing broke.
I'm a child.
I'm a child. I know.
I'm a child. I know. This one? Is it this one?
Why are you like this? Just the top one, Afrin. Just press it once, please. Yeah, just don't ruin it. That's it.
Can I throw it
No,
back?
just put it away, please. You make me nervous, Afrin. You give me anxiety I didn't know I had.
My hand is not.
Short, yeah. Her hand is the length of my forearm.
Shut up.
There's a dude, I was reaching out for the gear. Can you believe that? I gave it like the guns and then I was like,
I
bro,
did
yesterday.
that in a go-kart.
Say exactly.
I did that
You
in
see,
a fucking go-kart.
Exact-
On the turn, on the U-turn, and I was
you're
like,
like waiting to downshift and go like
where?
Exactly. Oh, that was probably like the warning of the speed.
Oh, is it going where?
It's going way too fast. Oh yeah.
Can I get a oh yeah?
Isn't there cruise control? I'm damn curious. Bro, that would have been bomb. I could just set it to 80 and it'll like just do its thing.
Oh yeah?
So how the was Missouri?
Missouri was beautiful.
We are going to go and do Rapapapapa in Missouri, if you know what I mean. I get a copyright strike. All right, angle switch because madam ka haath dukh gaya. Now she knows what vloggers go through day and night. Oopsie doodle.
So I came by this particular airline, and they to
But
wake
did
me
they?
up
Okay,
upon landing.
nice.
They woke me up for sure.
Do you not wake up yourself, Afrin, when you know the f***ing airplane has touched the ground, you genius?
That's the thing. It didn't touch.
What?
It didn't just touch. You know, there's an actual burger place in some places in the north. It's called Soft Boys.
Oh. And it's in the north? I'm not surprised. Anyways, what?
So we were saying, yeah. We do not want to peek into those cars.
Yeah, man. Oh, Jesus.
Yep.
Yo, oh, he's got the blinds and shit, bro. He's put
Yeah.
like proper curtains.
He's got samagri.
Yo. Yo. Yeah, you did stop in Delhi, didn't you?
I had to.
Okay, the beautiful turn into Bundra. That sounds very wrong, but Bandra.
Disgusting.
Yes. Oh, that's a beautiful shot. Look at that. That's like, oh me goo.
Oh gosh.
No. Oh my goo. True love. No wonders we don't get called anywhere, Afrin. Have you ever thought of that? No events. Nobody wants to be our friend.
No, that's the thing. Speak for yourself.
Shut up. She's a manipulator. She doesn't. She isn't herself.
It's manipulating.
Okay, whatever the f.
This is where I knocked off like 5 poles while taking a U-turn.
Bro, you had one job. How did you manage to knock 5? Like, I can understand 1. Like, you maybe scrape the edge of 1. Like, what were you on?
Different U-turns.
Oh, Jesus Christ, bro.
And there was like a truck behind me all the time. I don't know. Sometimes I feel like my driving school appointed that truck to be behind me.
Yeah, so that.
And be like, you know, the truck horns. Those.
That what?
Or the.
It's a perfume.
Yeah, but does it come with the car?
No, I think he bought it separately.
And how does it stay there then?
It must be on a that anti-slip thing.
Can I?
No, absolutely not. Just don't mess around with somebody else's car. Afrin. Keep your damn hands to
I
yourself.
just wanna.
My God, you f***ing lunatic. Thank God I didn't ask him to drive us. Jesus Christ.
I just wanna
Nope.
see if it.
Nope. But hey, we've not revealed that yet on YouTube. We're not supposed to reveal that yet. That's okay. Never mind.
Sorry.
Sorry.
I am sorry.
Hey yo.
I said I'm sorry.
Okay. They got it, bro. No.
Mike Tyson when he bit off somebody.
I said I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Sign the contract, big boy. Sign the contract. And then when he
said,
came
I said,
out
"I'm
of
sorry."
jail, he said, I said I'm sorry. Jakey. Sign the contract, Jakey. And we are in the beautiful Bandra. Don't freaking make that U-turn.
No water, no life, no blue, no green.
We are at this beautiful church. It's so pretty, so
St.
pretty.
Andrew's Church,
Yes.
400 years old, more than that.
Wow, how do you know that?
Because I was in St. Andrew's College and we had like 400-year celebration.
Did you go to mass and shit?
Yeah.
Bro, why didn't you take me?
Midnight Mass, Christmas Eve, hello.
How? And you kept me out of your plans? You have any
Dumb.
shit?
You've been living in Bandra longer than I have.
Yeah, but you should take me, you know?
Who's the younger sibling here?
You? So you should be taking me.
So you should be taking me.
No, I don't have plans. I'm the older one.
You never mind.
Exactly. Did you f***ing complete your degree?
No.
Oh my God, man.
Excuse me, don't put this kind of things out on video because they need to know that I started working when I was 17 years old.
Yeah, that's true, man. Fucking hard working as chick.
Exactly. So fuck everything. Fuck the degree. We'll get it someday.
Oh, Laura. You want to ask him, is that a TSI?
Bro, drive.
Is that a TSI?
Drive.
Bro, you
You
want...
desperate piece of shit, drive.
We can put a cheat on this contact. We want to buy the car.
Just can you
Bro.
turn right?
Ah. Oh, not bad.
That's not shit.
But it's like that lag is there. Like it won't let you scare yourself until it's sure that you wanted to scare yourself.
Bro,
I don't
is
know.
she even real?
I don't know, bro.
Bro. I don't know. Can you see this?
Show me fast. Dude, that's creepy.
Bro, why is there like a dupatta and no helmet and all this and like early in the morning no sunrise even and there is like this thing floating in the middle of now. Imagine if the scooty was covered with a dupatta, it would be like just a levitating figure. That's why I'm scared.
He's a
It's very
sweetheart
scary.
to have given me the car without even asking and bothering.
And please take him something.
Yeah, I thought as much. I like the interior. I genuinely like it, bro. I like how the whole console is laid out. And it's damn comfortable to drive. And you know what? I'll tell you this one thing. Okay, he accidentally left his entire wallet inside here. Okay?
I don't trust you that much.
The whole point of it.
Oh,
He called me up last night. He's like, Arish, just check if my wallet's in the center console. I was like, yeah, it is. You want it now? He's like, no, let it be. I'll get it in the morning. And then I had seen that video of Tate. The friends that you can leave your money, your girlfriends, and blah blah blah, and your cars with are the real ones.
I'm gonna cry.
Shut up, homie.
Oh,
That was nice, but alright, home sweet home. Always commit the perfect crime.
He even messed it up like it was.
Always. All right, let's go. Get up. Bye bye, you beauty. You were good. Oh my God, that cover is dirty.
I didn't kiss it.
What, you shot 2 targets out of?
So there's like this balloon.
Out
thing.
of?
I don't even remember how many, but I shot like just 2, and then it was like.
Out of a frame.
And I got this.
Answer the damn question.
I don't
Out
know.
of how many?
I don't know, cause like in one place you get like 10 tries or something.
And you got 2 out of those, you f***ing cockeyed?
And I didn't even just play at one place.
Oh my.
I even sent her a message, Kanya.
Don't you dare look at
और
me.
सब goodies आ चुके हैं. Afrin, give me my goodies.
No.
Give me my goodies. You really brought me mango bite. Best sister ever. Oh my God, Afrin, what have you brought here? You're mad or what? Out of your mind?
This is a little hair ties.
Oh,
Because
she brought me.
his Aaron Yeager hairstyle music.
She brought me hair ties for the thing coming up. Okay, thank you.
Not fan. This is the more
Ooh.
fancy schmancy.
The MagSafe wallets. Oh yes, and ये अपने ZX 10R के लिए सब सामान साथ में दिखाता हूँ. Right, so सामान आ चुका है. ये अपने hair ties है. इसके डिटेल्स बाद में दूंगा. ये है हमारे Kawasaki ZX 10R के फ्लूइड जो ब्रेक फ्लूइड रिजर्वायर था उसका परमानेंट सॉल्यूशन है. ये बस बिठा देना है अभी. So this is here. These are my 2 MagSafe wallets. एक नेवी ब्लू में लिया है और एक बहुत प्यारे से टैन कलर में लिया है, विच आई लव. सो आई थिंक आई एम गोना स्टार्ट यूजिंग द टैन फर्स्ट. सो यहाँ पे 2 वॉलेट्स आ चुके हैं, विच इज द नेवी ब्लू एंड द टैन. एंड हियर वी हैव वन मोर मैगसेफ केस जिसके ऊपर ये बैठ जाएगा. इसके मैग्नेट्स काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है क्योंकि अगर प्लास्टिक के थ्रू सही से बैठ रहा है means it's a pretty decent hold. Right, boys and girls, vlog pasand aaya, you know what to do. She is here for the next 15 days. Like karo, comment, subscribe to the channel. Thanks ka button available hai and memberships are also available. Lots more masti coming up.
Go say thanks to Varun, by the way, in the comments as well. He's very sweet. He lent us his car with no fear and nothing. Like he trusts us. I don't
Okay,
know how.
shut, end the vlog.
Okay, bye. Stick around. Stay blessed. And keep putting in the work.